Today we're unboxing the Monster DNA Fit Active Noise Cancellation Wireless Earbuds, also a CES Innovation Award winner for 2022. I am very interested in trying these out and also testing them on the jump rope pad. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. And let's see how this opens. Okay, here we go. Here's the big reveal. So it says brilliant true wireless sound, and then we'll open up this to reveal. What's this? QR code, scan here. That probably downloads the Monster app. What's this? Ooh, Monster stickers. Interesting. And it looks like the instructions. Okay, so I'll put that away. Oh, here, wow, look at the size of this thing. That is a rather large earbud case. It's got a fabric on it with, looks like kind of a rubber. Nice look though, but it is large. So something like this you're not going to be able to put in your pocket. But let's go ahead and open it up. And there, that's why it's so big. Look at the size of these earbuds. Very interesting. So I'll take them out, give you a quick look at them. So it's got that big triangle, got buttons here on the top. Nothing on the bottom. And then I guess that's a button as well. Let me put that away. So it does have a dedicated home. This is what, plastic? Yeah. And this one, same thing. Just a button on the top, nothing on the bottom. So I wonder how the volumes work. We'll have to figure that out. So that is the case and the earbuds. There's also, let's take a look, see how I can open this up. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this. I've never seen earbuds come with this many ear tips. These are 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then these ones already have them on. 12. Very, very cool. That's great. Usually it's only 3. Small, medium, and large. That's great. I'll definitely try some of these out. Okay, if the mediums don't work, that is. What else is in here? Okay, and it comes with a USB. Oh, interesting. Let me just open this up. It seems to have a very interesting end here. So this is, oh, that's great. Look at that. So it can either be USB-C, USB-C, or you can go to USB-A with just that built into it. That is amazing. Why doesn't this just become standard as part of USB-C cables? Because we're in that transition period. So, like that too. So what I'll do is I'll take everything, make it all look pretty, and then kind of go over what you get inside that box. So here's everything you get with the Monster DNA Fit. Like I said, this is just the unboxing. I'm going to be testing this out, and namely, I'm going to be testing this out on the jump rope pad. I want to see how well these ear tips work, because typically when I use them, they go inside your ear, the ear tips. This one goes on the outside, so it's going to be a different fit. Let's see how that works on the jump rope pad. So this concludes the unboxing of the Monster DNA Fit. Be sure to like and subscribe, and of course, watch the full review for this on my channel, handyandymedia.com. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out.